Hi everybody, today for dinner we're making cauliflower fried rice. Simple ingredients, alright, simple. So instead of buying the vegetable fried rice from the Chinese restaurant, we're gonna make it our way in a healthier version. Alright, so we're sauteing some mushrooms. We have the mixed vegetables. I'm doing it this way so the cooking time be less cooking time. And we're using the green giant rice cauliflower. So after these saute, I'm gonna add some onions. Now the season that I'm using for these mushrooms is Weber roasted garlic and herb. All right, and of course the butter, as you know. All right, hold on. My favorite earth balanced soy free butter. Now for the sauce, we're not using soy sauce, but we're using this right here. Now I got this from Trader Joe's. Coconut amios. Alright. This kind right here, I like this kind. Now I tried a different brand, not from Trader Joe's. Did not like it. So we're gonna stick to this. Alright? Alright, so let this saute. Now this is going to come out so delicious. Now you also at the end can add some onions on top of the cauliflower, and I'm going to show you. Alright, so we're just going to let this cook for about another 2 or 3 minutes, right? Alright, now you can put in the cauliflower. So that was the whole bag. Alright, so this is a 10 ounce. Alright, again, y'all make sure you read your labels on all your products. Just have 20 milligrams of sodium, potassium 164. Yes, you got the vitamin C 41. And y'all, the ingredients, only cauliflower. This is what I like to see. Alright, 100% vegetables, gluten-free. Okay, no sauces, no seasoning. This is what I like to see. Alright, we're going to let this cook. Alright. Now for the seasoning on this, we're going to be using my favorite from Grill's Mate. If I can show you. Roasted garlic and herb seasoning. Look how much is it. This is how much y'all. This is my favorite. Alright. And guess what I thought about? Y'all, I made homemade bread for garlic bread, and I had some left over. Of course it's in the freezer, and I thought about it. That would be so delicious with this vegetable fried cauliflower rice. So that is what we're going to be eating with this. Okay, we want to mix everything in so this cauliflower can get all the seasoning from the onions and the mushrooms. Alright, so let's give this about 5 minutes. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and transfer these vegetables in here. Alright, let's go in the freezer. Make sure this is my garlic bread. Which it is. Alright. Alright. I'm going to show you. This bread was the best bread ever. So I will not be buying any more bread, which I can anyway, because some of the bread have milk in it. So I'm just gonna break them apart and put them in the oven. So the oven is already counted down to the right temperature. Once this is cooked, just gonna put in the mixed vegetables. So that's why I'm gonna go ahead and put this bread in the oven. All right. All right, so the timer went off, which means the oven is at 350. And let's go ahead and put these breads, these garlic breads, in the oven. All right, so one thing that I really don't like about this bird's eye mixed vegetables, right? You're not getting a lot of green vegetables. It's like you're getting more corn out of any other vegetables. So I'm going to probably rate bird's eye and just ask them if there's any way they can include more of the greens than the corn, because I want more greens than I want corn. But you know, let's just move on, y'all. So okay, we're gonna continue stirring. I'm gonna cut this down, so we're gonna probably put it on like 4. You see what I'm saying? If you look, you see how much corn that is? More corn than like even the peas. Is more corn than the peas. All right. Let's pour some of this coconut aminos in here. I'm telling you, if you have not tried it this way, you're really missing out. Look at this. Do you see it? And once we mix it in, it's going to look like, what it's going to look like. It looks like soy sauce, but of course it's not. Alright, so make sure at this point you still want to taste it, okay? Make sure it's seasoned well. We need to add some salt, some pepper, whatever you need to this. It looks so delicious. And of course it is delicious, y'all. That's what I'm showing you, because I would like for you to start eating healthy. Alright? If you're not, if you are, you just look for a healthy dish. Try this. Look at this. Alright? If you wanted to cut up more mushrooms in here, you can. Alright? Look, y'all. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit that bell to be notified of my new videos that I just posted. I'm telling you, you will love it. Alright. So, I know I need to add some black pepper just for the taste, and also for, you know, a little color. We need a little color up in here. Alright, so I know I didn't add any salt. We're just going to add just a little salt. Not that much, because there's already sodium from this aminos. Alright? So again, just taste it, but you don't want to overdo it with the salt. Alright, y'all. And we're done. Now, at this point, we're waiting for the garlic bread to finish cooking. But I want you to see how delicious this rice is. cauliflower rice. All right, so yes, I did add the black pepper, as you can see. All right, look at this. All right, let's check on this garlic bread. All right, not quite ready, but it smells so delicious. All right, so we're gonna cut this down, put a top on top of it, and we're just waiting. All right, y'all, so the garlic bread is ready. Dinner is done. All right, y'all. Thanks for allowing me to show you this easy vegetable cauliflower fried rice that I know you and your family will love. All right, so I'm gonna grab me a plate and eat. Thanks for watching. See you later. Peace. All right, y'all, so I want to show you a close look of this. Right, it looks so delicious, and I taste it, y'all. It is delicious with the garlic bread. Fresh. I made this, y'all, and I'm so happy. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and start eating.